Well, if
Yeah.
you want me to take it and give me a garbage bin.
You need another metal bin.
That's what I'm saying.
That's a lot of metal. How does this even get up here in a passenger elevator? That was like sitting up there.
Yeah.
So this is Oxbridge. Now that the abatement's done, we're removing. Are these coming out too? The floor boxes? These ones.
No, leave them.
He wants them in the floor?
He didn't say remove them.
They're in the drawing.
Yes? Did it say remove them? So then remove them. Okay, Eric.
But you gotta plug the floor then.
What?
You gotta plug the floor. Are these pod lights worth anything? They can't be retrofitted. This wall's coming out too, right? So the owner is asked us to remove the power but to keep the data. So we're taking out, we're pulling, so there's conduits that we're emptying basically. Some of them are in the concrete. So the owner wants to save the lighting and the ceiling grid, but they want to demolish the HVAC. So as you can see, this rectangular duct supplies high velocity air and it goes into this valve box, and then from the valve box it outputs to different spots. So we're keeping the valve box and we're just cutting the ductwork downstream of the valve box. You can see it's got a backnet based controller, so this allows the computer to decide when to open it and close it. There's another valve box. So valve boxes are staying, lighting staying, fire alarms staying, emergency exits staying. The data is also staying. The owner said to leave it, so whoever installed it did a lousy job. So as a result, it's kind of a mess, but the owner wants to reuse it. So you can see it should never be coiled like that. It should not supported. Like there's no cable. There's a cable tray, but the cable tray ends here, and so yeah, it does. Wait. Let me look at it. Like this one has fire for. So this just needs to clean up now. We've taken out all the plumbing from the kitchen, the washroom. This is all poo. Yuck. Look at it, poo. So this, for example, this is a backnet thermostat, so this is staying. Cat 6. And probably just, I don't think it should be supported by the cable though. Still a bit of copper pipe. This is the main feed. And then this is the fire alarm end of lines. So this is the wire. So this is all copper. It gets recycled as copper, and then steel gets recycled as steel. Insulation goes to the garbage.